Site planning. Before the components for your new Mueller DIY greenhouse arrive, the site must be prepared. This includes clearing and leveling of the terrain. Mueller recommends the greenhouse be placed on leveling blocks. These blocks must be spaced appropriately to level the frame as well as to prevent sagging of the base frame. Due to widely varying site conditions, this blocking is not included with the DIY greenhouse kits. Mueller recommends that all DIY greenhouses be anchored to the ground or foundation. The method of anchor is at the owner's discretion. Unloading and preparation of parts for assembly. Due to the length and height of the vehicle transporting your greenhouse components, access to the greenhouse site from the adjacent highway, road, or street must be considered. Such access should be studied and prepared in advance of arrival. All obstructions, overhead and otherwise, must be removed, and the access route prepared if the soil will not sustain heavy wheel loads. Prior to the truck's arrival, take a few minutes and decide where the greenhouse components should be placed on the job site. A great deal of time and effort can be saved if the components are unloaded at the assembly site. Unloading and organizing parts for the greenhouse in the most convenient places for future assembly will make the erection process go easier and faster. Extra care should always be exercised in the unloading operation to prevent injuries from handling the steel, as well as to prevent damage to other materials. Sheet and trim packaging should be stacked using blocks. Create a slope towards one end to encourage drainage in case of rain. Before the truck leaves, check to make sure that all parts have been delivered. Check each part against the delivery receipt. Each part is marked for identification. Sign the delivery receipt if all parts have been delivered. If any parts are missing or damaged, notify the driver and note the missing items on the delivery receipt before signing. Check with your sales representative regarding any missing or damaged parts. These procedures are for your protection. A shortage discovered later can be caused by theft, misplacement, or other causes, of which Mueller cannot accept responsibility. Component identification. Framing components are named and marked to match your erection drawings for ease of identification during the erection of your Mueller greenhouse. Examples of these component marks are Some components may have the same name but have a different punch pattern for a particular use or placement. In that case, the components will be marked in numerical succession and shown in their proper place on the erection drawings. Referencing the erection drawing that came with your greenhouse will always make the greenhouse project go much easier. For the purpose of this video, we will be installing a single width door. Check your installation drawing for other door sizes and door locations.